Good evening. I am G.S. Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I have joined this group and I want to share that today another course of Surabhi ma'am I have joined. We two have joined, me, Gopal Anand and one Rajesh. And we'll have another series of sessions for fluency added upward. So now I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling excited, I'm feel like sharing my expressions to you all, that I'll be adding something more to my knowledge through these sessions. I am doing these live session. My live session has been stopped by Facebook. I don't know why. I am not able to figure it out. I have asked 2-3 experts. Everybody is giving their own opinion. I'll have to find a solution for going live again. And what I want to share is, when senior citizens in a group, they sit in a class, how they behave like children, I'll be able to show you, because now I have become habitual of, wherever I go, any session starts, I start recording, I start making videos, and I start uploading them on YouTube. Though I am not very expert in making thumbnails and other technical aspects. So yesterday there was a session on DLU. DLU stands for Discover Leader in You, where all the retired senior citizens are re-employed. They have got a chance to work again for a company called Kotak, and they had launched a new pension plan for those who are retiring or those who want to opt for pension schemes, since there are no schemes available now by government. Even in the government offices there is no pension. So new scheme was there, it was launched, and we were called that you should attend physically, not digitally. So we all were there, and then with masks on, and I have recorded that session. In between, phone stopped, phone got hanged, and then there are other problems like device heated up, space not there, interruption, somebody coming, somebody going. It is like kids class. So I'll share that link. I have uploaded. It was about 4 GB file. I didn't take the risk of compressing that file and making it short and record. As it is recorded, uploaded on YouTube. It is in 3 parts. I'll be sharing 3 links, and you can listen to those 23 minutes or 18 minutes or something like that, 13 minutes. 3 sessions are there where you will know how senior citizens behave when they are in the class. So after listening to that, you can come back and give your feedback, so that we will know how senior citizens interact with each other when they are in a classroom situation. This is G.S. Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, and this is a conversation starter or journaling, or I don't know what name to give it. But then I'll share 3 links, 3 YouTube links. You can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, as they say, for more likes. I am not for that, but I'll just share the links. Listen to that, enjoy the music, and we'll meet again tomorrow or some other day to discuss on that. If you like it, if you want to continue that discussion, we'll continue. Otherwise, we'll come back with the routine videos. Live I am not able to do because Facebook has stopped. I think I'll have to start my second account or third account, so that they permit there or not permit there. I am waiting for feedback from the experts as to how to restart that Facebook live which has been stopped. So this is what is there in my mind. I thought of sharing with you guys, so that we can go further and have a close bonding among ourselves. It being a family. Speak and Grow Family is the original one. Then this fluent and fearless speaking, and now the fearless. Now it is again fluency stepped up, and I don't know what's the name of the course. When I do those 3 days session, I'll be more clear about it. This is GS Anand signing out until we meet again. Thank you. Bye.